Hi everyone, welcome to my Laravel Commerce project. In this video I'm going to show you how we can handle category or subcategory in our project. As you can see, at the first time when I created my category database and the table, I defined and I explained something about the parent ID and the category tree structure and logic of the category tree or menu tree. It's the same thing. As you can see, for our main category I defined 0, and for subcategory I defined a parent ID and I get ID about main category of these subcategories. As you can see, for example, at university book the ID is 4, and all of these books category I added 4. It is logic of the category tree. Also for computer I add some category. It is second level. First level is main category is computer. Another second level is under the computer, and third level is PHP Python is under the programming language. As you can see, it is relation. With this relation ID, parent ID, we can create infinitive category tree. It is general logic about general structure about the category tree. But I didn't show you. It's first time, and now I want to show you. I want to add some code in our project that we can see all of our category at edit time, at create time, at list time, all of category in this area. First, we need to define a function that we can get category and subcategory for our project. I created before. I just want to get my function. Just want to explain. Okay, this definition is about that we can call this function. This defines about that because I will call this function from the view area. I send all category data, this function, and title also. Title of any category that I want to show. Then first I checked if my category parent 0, it is mean this category is main category. I just this does not have any parents. I just send title of this parent. The another options else I find category with the parent ID and I add my title, and also I call my function as a recursive structure. In this structure I can find last category that I have in this definition. It is with this recursive definition. Okay, this is very simple function that we can get whole my categories, parents of the categories. Okay, how can we can use this function? Before we need to change something in at my create form right here. I want to add because I tried before, I want to add my category selection, main category selection in this area. I want to show you whole my code, and I want to explain something about my code. Okay, you can see that's all. Okay, it's parent category, it's a group like another groups, it's same, is nothing changed. I just add a select element in this area. It's my name is parent ID, and the first option is main category. It is type of this category, it's main category. If this category is 0, if we want to define as a main category, we need to select this. The another option, if you want to select any recorded category as a main category of the new category, we need to select from these options. As you can see, I add option, the value is as record set, and title of this record set, I get name with the parents. This is my function that I define in my controller, as you can see. You see, it is my function. I called my function like this from this get parent tree. I send whole my record set and title of this record set. That's all. Okay. But at the create time, I didn't send any data in this area. I didn't send any data. In this case, I have to go to controller and I need to check, I need to add like this. I need to change my create function. You see? Because at create area I need data, all of my category list that I need to show in this area. Okay, let me check. Main category and whole my category. As you can see, we can see whole my category in this area. Okay, I want to define my category under this area. Computer, for example, under computer, programming language, keywords, description, okay, doesn't matter. I want to just select any file, computer, under computer. Okay, okay, you see, I added. I want to see my database. I want to show you my database. If you want to see your database in PHP Storm, you can define your database from here. My data structure is my SQL. It's localhost. User is root. And database. What is my database? I need to check my file. Okay, Laravel 9 e-commerce. Database is this. We need to test connection. Okay, success. if you don't have drive about MySQL, you can, it is suggest for you installation any driver about MySQL. Also it's suggest for us MariaDB, is no problem. After that, it's something appear in this area. It's my Laravel 9, my tables, my categories. You can see in this area. You see. Okay. But didn't happen anything about the programming language. I added the under computer, but does not change anything here. Why? We need to check. Always we need to check in our database, our code, that what happened background of this process. Why it is does not save my data, my computer ID to parent ID? I think we have a problem in this area, at the record area here, because we didn't get anything from the form. We just add as 0. We define 0 for parent ID. I want to get from the form this information. Also, I want to change at edit, at the update function. Okay, let's check. Programming language, edit. For edit, I didn't add also anything about the category at the form. We need to change also edit form in this area. From here, we need to add some code for a category. Okay, I add parent category about edit. Also I added main category, value is 0, and I get category list from here, data list as a data list, and value is category ID, and I focus on the selected of my meta category ID at the parent category ID. I focus on that category at the edit area, and also I get category title with my my function also right here. Okay, that's all. I want to refresh my edit. As you can see, we don't have data list. Why? Because I didn't send any data. Let's check. At edit, it is my edit. I need to send whole data that I sent. Okay, we need to send our data from the controller to view, because we need the You see, I have a categories. This my programming language. My programming language parent category is computer. Okay, I want to select computer and up. I want to why is my parent ID is 0? I got error. Let me check my code. Maybe I have a problem with my code. I sent my parent ID. Yes. First, you have to check like this. My name, my form name is parent ID. At the controller, I request my parent ID. What's wrong with this code? Okay, I copy paste. I have double $sign right here. It was my fault. Okay, let's select again computer. I want to select computer and update for programming language. My main category is computer. I want to check on my database. You see, my parent ID is programming language. Okay, I want to show this on my list. I want to show at my list. I want to change something on my list. Where is my index? Is here. ID, where is my ID? Okay, I want to add before title. I want to add my category parent. I want to delete description because I don't need too much long data at the list area. Also, I want to delete this description, and I want to use keyword before title. Okay, I need to get my category from my function. I want to get from my function like this. From my function, I need to indent my code. Okay, parent, title, and image. It's enough for this list. I don't need to add, because the keyword can be add 225 character data, also description also. That's why I deleted these fields from this list. I just want to show parent, category name, image, and status, and another action buttons. Okay, you see, it is my computer and programming language. As you can see, I can add more. For example, under computer, main categories I save as the network as GPK, but it does not accept as like that extension. This framework can find original extension and save at store folder. Okay, my computer, network, and save. This computer, and here when I clicked edit, is automatically focused on my computer, you see, and I have also category at subcategory in this area. Okay, I think it's clear. With this code we can add category, main category. I can add also the one more third level category under the computer language. I can add, for example, new category, basic Python. Let me liked it. I just, for example, I didn't select. I need to select programming language. You see, computer programming language and basic Python, and I want to add not just basic, PHP. Okay, you see at computer programming language, basic Python, PHP language. It is not book name, it's category name. That's why Python. We can just say Python. Okay, you can add all of categories and subcategories. Category, it is like this code. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.